Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and let me introduce you to the only snake you will ever see in this house. This is the king python from Robo Alive that my son has wanted for such a long time, and it has definitely lived up to all of his expectations. He's having a blast with it. So this has an on and off switch on the bottom, and this guy will roll around on the ground and mimic the moves of a real snake. His eyes and tongue will shift. We take him down into the basement a lot because it's a great big open area and let him slither around. And little did we know, this is also doubling as a dog toy, which is hilarious because my dog will chase after this and bark at it, and the kids just have a blast. So he is a lot of fun. If your kids love robotic type toys or anything related to Robo Alive, this one is a blast. And that's my point of view.